What's going on, you guys? Today I've got here a mini gummy pizza that is made by Raindrops. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Got a nice little plastic wrap here, and then some kind of gold foil tray. At the bottom here. And it looks like there's a bit more plastic, but it's pretty neat. I mean, look at it. Looks like it's got an egg right there in the middle, and then all kind of different little toppings. I don't know what these are. I guess maybe the edges of the pizza. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if we can get in here. We'll tear that off. Alright. Now we got the pizza. It's got all these little toppings and such. I thought they'd be all together, but still pretty neat. Let me guys know what you think in the comments. This is a pretty cool pizza. Would you try it? Like and subscribe for more, you guys.